At a 1509 Heavy, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
Right, 28 right, clear for takeoff, United 1509 Heavy.
At a 1509 Heavy, traffic on the 2.5 mile final.
Copy.
Delta 1007, go around.
Go around up 1007. And United 1509, rejecting on the runway.
Delta 7, turn left heading 260, maintain 3,100.
260, 3,100, Delta 1007.
At a 1509 Heavy, do you require any assistance?
Stand by, United 1509, just lost an engine.
United 1066, go around.
United 1066, going around.
1066, fly runway heading, climb and maintain 3,000.
Maintain at 3,000, United 1066.
Hey, Tower, looks like that's
Yeah, we've already called the airport fire personnel.
Thank you guys, we're monitoring, yep, we're in the threat checklist right now, 1509.
And just give us a little patience, guys. Everybody in the tower, we're dealing with an emergency. We're trying to handle it, so just a little patience with us.
Can anyone tell us which engine it is, left or right?
Right.
Right engine.
The airport vehicle, rescue vehicle calling tower, second.
Yes, right?
Rescue, where are you?
65. Fire park.
Rescue 65, yeah, the aircraft on the runway has a fire in the number 2 engine.
Roger that, on the runway, and
Sky 5407, go around.
Going around, Sky 5407.
Rescue 65, runways and taxiways are fine. Let me know which ones you need.
Tower, United 1509.
Sky 5407, fly runway heading, climb maintain 3,000.
Okay, runway heading 3,000, Skyway 5407.
5407, contact knockout 135.1.
35-1, see you, Sky 5407.
1509, tower.
Yeah, do you have a discrete frequency for us?
128.65 for 1509.
2865.
Rescue 65, all runways and taxiways are yours.
Thanks very much. San Francisco Tower, this is Rescue 65. Emergency vehicles are clear of the runways. You can do whatever you need to in coordination with the pilot and airfield ops.
Rescue 65, Roger, and just to clarify, no rescue vehicles will cross any runways without explicit permission.
That's affirmative, and I'll clear that with them right now at port. Thank you.
Rescue 65, Roger. 42, were you going to inspect the runway behind the aircraft once they are able to taxi off? And Ops 36, will we get to use runway 28 left at this time, or do you still want me to hold off? Rescue 11 Tower, Roger.
For now, it looks like we will be. We still have the left engine up and running, and no evacuation necessary at this time. We should be able to proceed to the gate with no problems. Tower, United 1509 Heavy, ready to proceed at this time. Fox 22 is going to be the gate.
United 1509 Heavy, are you able to make the right turn off there at November?
United 1509, we got the left engine up and running. Should be able to do that. The left turn on to Charlie might be an issue.
So would you prefer to make a left turn off the runway?
Yeah, left turn is going to be better for us. We have left engine only up and running now.
Okay, so since the 90-degree turn to the left may be a little harder, do you want to go down to like Echo or Tango?
Yeah, let's do the high speed down there. Tango for F22. Does that sound good for you?
Okay, perfect. United 1509 Heavy, taxi down the runway, turn left at Tango.
Taxi down the runway, left at Tango, United 1509
Heavy. On your taxi, cross runway 1 left, cross runway 1 right, left turn at Tango, and then don't expect to stop.
United 1509, cross 1 left, cross 1 right, and clear to cross Tango. Don't expect it to stop, United 1509.